So we are myriading, and so we managed to playing Gary for the background. Hang on, let me rewind. Who changed the colour? Oh, Kelso. Is that fuchsia, is it? Is that fuchsia colour? Yeah, Kelso did it. Oh dear. Anyway, so last time out we managed to get Myriad working in text mode, in mode, and me in muscle mode, muscle memory mode. Has just hit the wrong thing. Right, there we go. We managed to get Myriad running in mode 7. Right? So we've got the front screen, and then it works. The mechanics work, and woohoo, yeah? So what I was going to try and do today is to try and see if we can get some sort of graphics on there. Hey Mikroman, long time no speak, mate. Long time no speak. So we're gonna try and get some graphics on there. Now, FaiRLane has been working his magic again, and he's been doing research and found this book. Which, to be honest, I haven't got this book. I don't think I have. Assembly Programming Made Easy. Oh, you are joking. Well, I never. I do have this book. What's the... So I do have this book. So you keyboard warriors can get off your keyboards. I do have this book. It's in better nick than the PDF. Anyway, I do have this book. Right. And he found the get it scanned. I'm not destroying a book to get it scanned.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Who's done? Oh, FaiRLane, thank you very much for the 200 bits, mate. Thank you. Yeah. So, page somewhere around here. Where are we? 79, 85, I think it was. Here we go. So, he's found the VDU equivalent in assembly. So, it's OSWRCH, which means operating system for writing characters to the screen. No, mate, I've yeah, we'll not go into that anymore because I do have the books. So, FaiRLane found this, and it's exactly what we want. So the first thing we're going to try and do is we're going to get rid of, where is it? That thing there. That thing. Now, I think it was in the new user, wasn't it? VDU command. Find VDU, because I have forgotten what it was. Let's go to the menu. Let's see if we can find the VDU menu. VDU, that's the one, isn't it? Here we go. Where's cursor on and off? I thought it was up the top. Oh, don't tell me I've forgotten where. Let's have a look. Video 2. Moves it up a line, down a line. CLS, no, we don't want to do that. Sure, it was 21. My little voice in the back of my head saying 21. No, it's not 21. Ooh, can anyone remember what it was? I can't remember what it was. Go back. Let's try and hide the cursor. Right text at cursor, enable video drivers, make a bleep, move. Oh, I can't remember what the cursor was. Let's try it in here. Can anyone remember what it was? Yeah, I read that. I read that, but hang on. I read that, but there was a specific command for turning the cursor off. I'm sure there was. Because we was trying to figure out what VDU was. What the VDU was. And that's why we needed it. Let's see if we've got... what's in here? Have we got anything relating? Operating system. Well, it couldn't have been that one then, so it must have been in this one. Was it video 23? That must have been the one. Must have been the one. So let's see if we can do that. Right. Well, let's see if 23 sounds familiar. So I need... Where are we doing the screens? Decode the screen. No, it's not there. Keep going. Here. That's game over. Let's put it at the start of the setup. Yeah. Is it definitely just VDU 23? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's stick it in here. This is where all the other setup are. Now, I have checked, and we've got this already set up. Yeah. So what we need to do is we just need to put 23, load 23, call it, load 1, call it. So that's all we need to do from what I've read. So 23, JSR, Oz W, and I can't remember what I called it. There it is. And then 1. So disable the cursor. Let's see if we finally get rid of the cursor. No! Right, I'm just wondering if we have to put zeros in. How many zeros are we talking about? 4, isn't it? Let's see if that does it. No. Cursor's still there. That's annoying. And it is FFEE, yeah. Well, that's annoying. That is annoying. Right, 22. What does 22 do? 22 changes mode, doesn't it? Yeah, select screen mode.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello. Hello. Who's just followed? I didn't catch. Mystery. Ha, very clever. Welcome, say hello to Mystery. Or Miss. Has I don't know how to say that. I have no idea how to say that. Mystery? Mystery? It's very clever. What did you say? Try 1-1. Okay. Try 1-1. Let's try this. And of course I'm in the wrong file. No! Oh! Hello! Oh! Why is that not working? Right. VDU-23, that's the one. So VDU-23 in the state. Hello, Gary. Right.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster. 13 months? And you've subscribed for yourself. Hello. All these people that have over a year subscribing, it's... Yeah, over a year subscribing. I can't believe it. Right, here we go. Right. This subcommand turns the cursor on and off. Define the values by the state. So, it's 2310. 2310. Let's just run them out. Oh, this is annoying. This is annoying. Let's do that again. I'm going to mess around with the emulator. Right, let's reset the emulator. I should be able to reset it. Reset. Right, VDU 23,1. Cursor's still there. Oh. VDU. Oh. Oh, I was going to say. VDU 23,0. No. VDU 23,1,0. Nope.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Who's subscribed now? Andy. Oh, Andy, 11 months. Thank you, mate, for subscribing. Thank you. 11 months. We got to put all the zeros in, have we? Right, okay, let me have a look. Right, okay. So we're doing what it says on here, right? We're doing what it says on here. So let's make this window a bit smaller. Right, VDU 23,1, and we are talking 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, right, there we go. So we need, right, there we go. So we need to put more zeros in here. So 23, 1, and then 7 more. So we've got 3, 6, 7. Oh no, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7. Let's just quickly do this. Right, state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, let's try that. And if it works, we'll optimize it in a minute. Oh, reset task. Of course, we had it still open. How did the BBC become so popular? Schools had them, that's why. Oh look, the cursor's gone. Get in there. Right, okay. Cursor's gone. Right, let's make this a little bit easier. So we are going to go LDX #7. PDX branches plus. No, branch not equal. There we go. Now branch it plus. Because we want to do it 8 times, aren't we? We've got 8 zeros in there. Right, let's do that again. Get in there. Get in there. So who told me to put the zeros in? Well done, mate. Thank you. That has saved me some head banging. So does that mean that on all VDU commands we have to send in 10? Well, ignore that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means do we have to send 9 in all the time? So what's doing the characters? That's here, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or is it just on VDU 23 where we have to do 9? I wonder if it's... let's see what it says about VDU 22. Ooh. Can we go backwards? Ah, VDU commands. Here we go. Right, 22. No, because the mode is just one number. So it's just VDU 23 that we have to send in all those characters. Right, hang on. I'm going to mark this. Have I got this marked already? No, I haven't. Right, let's mark that. Put it in the BBC resources. There we go. I'm not...
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here.
Oh dear.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
And the person that's just followed has just got a subscription. Docster. You're doing it again, mate.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
He just wants to hear that voice. Stay forever.
Hi, John here.
Oh, we're still
Another
going.
subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
5 sprites.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay
Skazlian,
forever.
you've got a subscription as well. Thank you very much, Docster. Once again, you are showing your true generosity again. Thank you very much. Mate, always make me speechless. My quest, but the evil stay for it. Yes, I know. I am working on it. I am working on it, mate. I am working on it. Mrs. OSK will get fed up of me saying it soon. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. You're fed up already. Right. So, the plan for today is to try and see if we can get some soft sprites up and running on the screen. Now, I'm not going to say we're going to get it all done, but what I'm going to do is we are going to base it on this. So I don't know if you remember me doing this when we did the original series, when we was looking at the BBC and was trying to get things on the screen, and we come up with this, yeah, and it's a soft sprite library system by, what's his name, Dean Belfield, yeah, Belfield. And what I was thinking was using the same library to put our characters on the screen. So we'll end up with something like this, yeah? And to try and see if we can incorporate it in what we've got, but keep it separate because it's Beeb stuff, yeah. But we may need to modify it. But I want to try and use the library that's here, so we can keep track of everything, yeah. So so it's a case of we're going to have to re-understand what we've done, because I think that's setting up the sprites, isn't it? Yes. So that's. So we just need we need to relearn this routine, but we have a problem, yeah. We have a problem, and I'm going to do it here. Here we go. So here we go. So this is going to completely throw it out of whack. Yeah. I want to just show what we're going to do. So we're going to use mode 2. Mode 2. So if I run it now. Ooh. I need to capitalize it. There we go. Right, so this is mode 2. And at the bottom, that is our screen, our mode 7 screen. So if I press F1, there you go. This is our mode 7 screen down here. Yeah. And this is our array, our monsters array, our bad guy array. So we're gonna have to shuffle everything up. And also, because we're going to be using the screen array, what is the screen array is where everything is on the screen. We need to then move that screen array outside of this. So we've got the screen that keeps our high-res screen intact, but also keeps the low-res screen intact too. Yeah. And so we've got a bit of moving some stuff around, because we can't be like this all the time. But it's interesting to see that how it looks. So we need to do some moving, yeah. So what I was going to do, I was going to define another thing, yeah. And we're going to do high res, which will allow us then to, I think it's in machine constants somewhere around here, where we set, there we go, there, this is it, where we set where the screen size is, yeah? So, if high res, then we do something, else we do this. So let's find out the memory constraints of the modes, and I'm trying to remember where it is. I'm sure it's in here, isn't it? The modes, different screen modes. Is it in there? Oh, here we go. Mode 2. 16 colours, 20k. So that leaves us with only 12k of memory to play with. But where does the memory start? Alright, FaZe, we'll see you in a bit. So where does the memory start? I bet it's not in here, I bet it's in the advanced, isn't it? Memory. Video memory use. Is it 3000? Yeah, I was wondering if it was somewhere around there. I thought there was a graphic with it on. Nah, no there isn't. Right. Let's go back to spaceship. Where's that been stored? Constants. Ah, there we go. 3000, yeah. Right, so that means we're going to be putting it at 2C. 2C. So if we do this... Oh, we still need... storage. Ooh, that's going to be fun. Right, there we go, BBC. Right, so, that is going to be fun. So that's going to be 2000. Oh, is this going to assemble? That's a good question, John. Right, so we're in high res mode, so it should do. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. It's too big. That our code goes into 2F. Oh, rats. Rats. Uh, 1900 start addresses. That's where all basic starts, isn't it? I think. Yeah, it's where basic starts. It only leaves 9k, yeah. Maybe, right. Do we bother with 16 colours or do we knock it down? That's the thing, do we knock it down? Or do we just do it in black and white and have high res? But I think even high res is lots of space, isn't it? Where's the modes? Here we go. Do we have the modes in here? Ah, here we go. Right, so we're thinking of using mode 2, which is then from there to there So if we do, let's see, mode 1. Mode 1 is still is still there. Oh, we could do this one here. Mode 5. Yeah, mode 5 looks like it's the only one. So it's going to be sort of Vic 20-esque. I mean, we could do mode 4, but that's just going to be black and white, isn't it? 2 colours is just black and white. So it's going to be mode 5. Alright, let's stick it in mode 5 and see what that looks like. So we'll have to define our colours. We'll have to define the 4 colours. Well, black's going to be one of them. I suppose white's going to be one of them. Bad program? Oh no, we mean bad program. Have I missed something? Ooh, hang on. Yes. Right. Ooh, it's not liking it at all. It's not liking it at all. Oh, I know why it's not liking it. I've just thought, I know why it's not liking it. We've still got this at 2, so it was, what was it, 5.8? 5.8. So F E D C. So that's 5.4. 5.4. And the other one, wherever it is, it's here, isn't it? Yeah. 5. I'm gonna have to make these linked, I think. And then the storage was the same thing. So 5.4. Just do 5 for the moment. 7. How many we got for the BBC? How many bad guys we got for the BBC? So we're in Vic 20 mode now. So we need to that's not down there, it's not even in that one, it's got to be in this one. Number of bad guys. Oh, let's search for it. There we go. So, BBC, we set 64. 32. So, 32. Back to memory. Where's the memory? 32 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 32 times 7. Is... yeah, that should be enough. That should be enough. Yep. That should be enough. We should not have a problem now with memory. There we go. It's running. It's running now. Now this part, this here, that's the score, because the score is still on in mode 7 mode. So if I do that and then go back into it, so that's the front screen there. See, we're back, yeah. So we're looking at mode 5. We're looking at mode 5. So, so we're, oh right, here we go. So this is, right, this is the initial bit. So we need to do if BBC, do that. And we put it in mode 7 for the screen, and then when we finish with the screen, we put it in mode 2. And we're in high res mode. Yeah, mode 5, thank you. Did I put mode 2 on the other one? Where is it? Oh, mode 7. Right, okay. Right. So we're not non-high res, so we should see mode 7. It should still work in mode 7. Yeah, it does. Right. So this is something that we've got to look at, because that is based off our machine constants. Is it in there? I'm not too sure. I think it's machine specific, to be honest. But then again, I may be wrong again. No. No. I need to link these two up together. Here. This is where the scoring is, yeah? So we're saying 7C. So I'm going to say screen RAM. I'm going to say screen RAM there. Because that should then move it. So if we're in normal mode, it should still work. Oh. What? Oh, is there? Have I deleted a key by accident? So there is. Good spot. Good spot, mate. Good spot. Oh, while you're here, while you're online, we owe you some points, mate. Hang on. We owe you some points. Right. They're the points that we decided that was going to give you for your attempt at the logo. Even though it was inverted, it was almost there. It was almost there. And you deserved the points just for doing it. And the ship, I saw your ship, and I may, well, if we've got time, I may do a 4x4 ship, because the one with the shield, right, where is it? Go away, you. Oh, what, did you actually email it me? Hey D-Type. You did email it me. Right, I'm trying to find it, mate. Because you did one with the where it got the shield in mode 7, didn't you? And I thought, that is so cool. I'll have to have a crack at doing it. Trying to find where it is. Ooh, where is it? Did you email it me there, or did you email it me somewhere else? Hang on. The shocking pit. Oh, that's blame Kelso for that. Blame Kelso for that. Oh, I'm trying to find that email, mate. I don't know where it is. There it is. Found it. Found it. Right. So I'm going to try not to show your email address, mate, but will that do it? Yes, that will do it. This is what FaiRLane's come up with in mode 7 for the ship. Right? So it's literally a 1, 2, it's a 4x4. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. So we've got the animation there, right? So let me, and then the shield, which I thought was really cool. Right, here we go. And there's the ship with the shield, all in mode 7. So I am thinking of trying to implement this in mode 7, but I'll probably do it off stream, yeah. But it's definitely worth a crack. It's definitely worth a go. Yeah, he's done. He's been a light little trooper and knocking these out as well. Because he's got 4, and he gave me all the codes for it as well. So at some point I'm going to try and implement the 4x4 just for the BBC model, just for the BBC game, and see if we can implement these two, the 2 ships in colour, and then when it goes into shield mode, yeah. But yeah, it's when I saw it, I thought, oh man, you've put so much work into this. It's got to be used, and I love the fact that you've managed to get the shield to encompass it as well. All right, Mikroman, I'll see you later. Yeah. So, right. So we're going to try and use, there we go. We're going to try and use mode 5. So we're going to have to use mode 5, which is just 4 colours. So you've got to remember, right. So mode 7 equals, is the same as the Commodore screen. Whoops. Which equals 1 byte equals 1 character. Right? Mode 2 is high res. And if we go back to here, which is the one we was going to use, yeah. Mode 2, that one, 8 colours, which is Vic sort of colours. Yeah, but it was 1 pixel equals 1 nibble, or 2 pixels is equal to 1 byte. Yeah, so when we're doing the high res, for every pixel was either, 4 bits of the high byte or 4 bits of the low byte, right? So now we're going to do mode 5. Now mode 5, if my memory serves me correct, is going to be 1 pixel is 2 bits. So 4 pixels equals 1 byte. I think that's right. 1 pixel is 2 bits. We've only got 4 colours. Yeah. So we've only got 4 colours. So obviously we're going to have, 4 colours in total, and they are black, white, yellow, red by default, I think. And I think they're only black, white, yellow, red, because I think they're the first four colours. I think they're the first 4 colours in their spectrum, I think. Let's have a quick look. Yeah. Black, red, yellow, and then there's white. Alright? So we're going to have to if we're going to use this, we're going to change the way this works, I think. Because I think this works in mode 2. I think this works in mode 2. But then again, it might not. render. Here we go. Now it's working in mode 2, so we're gonna have to rework all this out. Because like I say, this is all mode 2 based. Oh, why couldn't we fit it in? Why couldn't we fit it in? So, we're going to have to change things. I'll leave that. I wonder what that one did. Huh, doesn't work. That's what it did. Right, okay, so we're gonna have to rework this, because like I say, there's gonna be now remember you can lower page down to 113, but not sure what the limitations are. Let's have a look. Where's the memory map? Yeah, I'm not too... I mean, this has got it down as OD100. I think when we was messing around right at the very start, we tried to lower where the page started, and it got corrupted when we got below 1900. I think. I mean, we can try it. Because if we're not using yeah, we could try, say let's try 100. Let's try 100. Let's see if we can load it in there. So that means changing this to 100, and then we need to change this to 100. Right, let's see what happens. Will it work at 1/100? Oh. Well, it's working. So that's 2k we've gained. It's still tight, even in mode 7. In mode 2. Because we was looking at 2C. Oh, it's tight, isn't it? It's extremely tight. And we haven't got the soft sprite codes in yet. That is tight. We're going to run into problems. The cursor is back. So it is. So it is. Eight, 9. Oh, what a bust now. Now, 23, 1. And then 8, wasn't it? That's right, that should do 8. 9 to not equal. Well, let's just make sure it's not just where we've relocated it, so we'll put it back to where it was. Just in case it's that. No, we're back. We are back. Ugh. X is supposed to be preserved. Right, where is it? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is... Oh, hang on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is definitely 8, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that should be working because that's doing 8 to those. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, hang on. Hang on. I wonder... if, because we're resetting the mode, I wonder if the cursor's getting reset. Right, okay, utils. Let's do something down here. Right. Macro. Here we go, decode. Right, so decode screen is purple. Right, so right, disable cursor. So let's grab this. Put it in there. Get rid of it from there. Utils, where's the... Right, so we are doing that. I'm just wondering, is because we reset the mode here. So we reset the mode, so we'll do a disable cursor. Let's see if that fixes it. Yes, there we go. So when we put it back to mode 2, which is here, oh, mode 5, which is there, we'll do the same thing again. Disable the cursor. Right, let's put it back to 1100. Yep, we are back in business. Right, so we got rid of the cursor. So we need to... Now I don't know whether to try and rewrite these routines or suck it and see. Right, that's a macro, so that's fine. Where's that? Sprite 6502. Right, that is because of the array down here. So it's more going to be render more than anything else. Okay, we might be able to get away with it. Might be able to do something. Yeah, I know. I don't really want to use the OS memory if we're going to rely on some of the operating system commands. It's just this this sprite thing was designed for mode 2, so we're going to have to try and change it for mode 5. So, I mean, in essence, if I run this again, these things move 2 pixels at a time. It's not a 1 pixel. I'm not sure if I can slow this down. Yeah, it's moving 2 pixels at a time. So, we would have to move 4 pixels at a time if we want to keep the character if we want to keep the byte alignment the same. So we might not have to change anything, it's just that we're gonna but the thing is, if we keep the Myriad game look and feel, then that was moving, you know, one row, one character in all the directions, yeah, not smoothly moving. If we wanted to keep the look and feel of how Myriad runs now, so that means that you've got to remember that in mode 4, each pixel is 4 bytes. Each pixel is 2 bytes. Yeah. So 2 bits. So that's 4 pixels on the screen is equal to a byte. So to move a character of 8 pixels, that's 2 bytes. That's a shift of 2 bytes. Yeah. So we should be able to rework the mathematics. We should be able to rework the mathematics. Now, So it's 160 by 256. But it's 20 by 32. Right, okay. Gotta work this out. So, mode, this is what we was in before. Now, if you look at the code, when it does a line shift, where's it doing the line shift? Oh, that's what we can do. This is the line shift. There we go. Add 279 to screen address to move. Add 279 to the screen address to move to the next character. Wow. What's 279? So in mode 2. Right, let's work. Where's my pen? Let's work this out. So mode 2 was 160 pixels by 256. So you got to remember that in mode 2, a pixel was half a byte. So 2 pixels is a byte. Oh, which way is it going? Hang on. Which way is it going? Right, I think that's poke. No? Oh. Got you, mate. Thank you, mate. Got you. Right. So we're in mode 2. So I want to see where it's going to go. So let's go to 5,000. So ampersand 5,000 equals 255. So that's here. Look. Yeah. Yeah. So if we then poke the next number, right? So let me poke the next number with no, we'll do 255 and see where it comes. Does it go there or does it go below it? Right, so it goes below it. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. So this is half a character. Because that's line, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, so let's keep going. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question. I know I'm doing this by hand. So this is going to be the last one. Right. So that's half a character. Right? That's half a character because the character would be this big. So as soon as I do 5008, where does that go? Does it go next to it? Right, so that's the second half of the character. Okay. Oh, what have I done wrong? Oh. Copy. Is that copy? Yes, it is. Right. So that's doing, so that's effectively, it's doing 40 columns. That's 40 columns wide. Hang on, but 2 bytes per character. 2 bytes a character. What am I using that for? Right, so 2 bytes for every character times 20 characters times 8 rows. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. 2 bytes for every character times 20 characters times 8. That's still not right. Ooh, okay, what have I done wrong? Just trying to, right, okay. Right, so it's, right, okay. Now that's not going to work because let's do 6. Right, okay. So we're working out the lines, working out how many bytes between a line. So let's divide this number by 2. Right, so we need to add 8 to that. Plus 8. 144. Ooh, just out. Too many. There we go. Right, so from one character to the next character, we need to add 140. So mode 5. To go down a line, we need to add 140 bytes to the location. Each character is equal to 16 bytes. So each character is 16 bytes because 4 pixels is 1 byte, 8 pixels is 2 bytes. So 8 rows, 16 bytes. So each, right, okay, we're getting there. Let's do this. Right, so in mode 5, each line is equal to 140 bytes. Each character on the line is equal to 16 bytes. What else? So if we want to go down a line, it's 140 bytes. If we want to move across, a character, it's 16. Let's try that out. Right, so if we want to go to the next character, so it's 6010. There we go. Right, so that's the next character. So definitely 16 bytes for the top line of the character. So 160 across, 320 down. So it's almost the same. I'm saying it's almost the same as the C64 in terms of high res. The only difference is I've done all these and they're useless because these were all done in mode 2. I'm not sure I can change the mode. No, I can't. Can't change the mode. Okay. Now we understand a bit more of the mechanics. So that means this here is drawing 2 pixels, 4 pixels, 6 pixels, 18, no, 8 pixels. Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How wide were these characters? I can't remember how wide they were. Have I got them still? No! Oh, here we go. They weren't, were they? Neither were they. There we go. How many were they trying to get across? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, hang on. Oh, a pit. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where the 14 comes into it. Each one of these one of 8 colours. Yes, so that's definitely a byte there. 2 bytes, 3 bytes, 4 bytes, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So here it would draw that one, then add 8, which then comes to this one, then add another 8, which comes to this one. Another 8 is this one, 20 is this one, 28 is that one, 30 is that one. That's right, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, okay, so that's... I'm now understanding how the rendering's working. So we have to work out the position of where the sprite's going to go from this top point, and then we run through each... So this is running through each row, yeah? Because it does the first one. And then goes the next one. Right, okay. So for mode 2, we're going to have a different sprite set. Now, I'm not sure if I can copy and paste. Can I copy? Select. Maybe we can. Right, let's load the one I've done. So these are all the characters. Right, let me just load up another sprite. Can I have 2 going? Yes, I can. Here we go. Right, so file, new spreadsheet, new sprite sheets, starting in mode 5. File, new. File. Oh, where is it? Oh, mode 5. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Where we getting? Where we getting to bean for my dinner? What?
So what's happening here, Dan?
Oh, where are we getting to? Bean for your dinner? Right, I got. Oh, we're trying. We're trying to work out the mechanics between mode 2 and mode 5, yeah? So let's pick. We'll do the super bombs. So I made them 8x8, yeah? I made them 8x8. So there's the blank one. So if I grab that one as well. So, oh, I was going to try and see if we could copy and paste, can't I? Ah, edit, undo, undo. Select. Copy. Copy. Edit. Paste. No! Ah, I was thought it... Never mind. Never mind. I thought we was gonna win. I don't think you guys want to see me do this all the time. So we'll just do the one. We'll just do the one. We'll save it. Right, so this is the routine we're going to have to, I think this is the routine we're going to have to take, and are we going to have to take that one? Yes, we'll have to take that one, and the macros one, I think. Add. Yes. So they're the 3 we're going to have to take, but what I want to do is let's see if we can. I know that the problem is that the characters are in mode 2, so it's going to look really, really stupid in mode I mean, we can show that. Hang on. If I make this into mode 5, this is going to look really stupid. In fact, it's not showing at all because they're in a different place, and I'm not too sure where the constants are. There we go, screen. So it's 5800. So this is going to look silly. There we go. But it shows you that we can use this function, but we just need to tweak it to make it work with mode 5. So let's try. What? I'd love to make this. Work in all modes. I would love to do that. So I think it's this one we're going to have to be messing around with. So let's copy that, paste. So this is the original. So we're not going to mess around with the original. So we're not going to mess around with that. But what we are going to do is mess around with this. And I really, really, really want to make it work for any mode. That's what I really want. So that's going to be okay. The macros are going to be okay. That's going to be okay. Right, let's put a namespace on this. Right. So we'll keep the original owner's details there, but we're going to modify it. So it's 2022. Oh, I forgot it was 4th of July. 4th of July 2022. By me. Right, so let's indent that in. And we will, no, we'll leave that there. So this is the rendering of it. R0's width, height. Right, so we're not using, so we'll get rid of this. And we're not using this. FE21, does anybody know what FE21 is? Oh, it's the okay, it's the video. Oh, so it's setting modes. Oh, that's why it's remmed out. That's why it's remmed out. Okay, so set up the sprite position. Check whether, okay, draw the sprite. Okay, so this is just purely for drawing, doing the sprites. We still have, +8. Yeah, we still have +8. But how many times are we doing this? Loop 1. So it draws twice. Oh, that erases. Okay. Right, so it's here. Get pixel address. Right, let's go through one thing at a time first. So get pixel address, where's that? Output. Ooh, right, so we need to copy this. Right. So this is the table for the different modes. So where are we? Have I still got the screen? There we go. Just put that down there so I can see it. Right, so 280, 140, right. 32 rows. Right, so this is where we need to mess around, because I want to make this work. I want to make this work for different modes, yeah. So let's do if mode 2 and do that. But we're going to have to name it something else. So table screen rows. So if that's mode 2, then mode 5. Let's just make sure this is going to work. So that's working out the start position. That's working out the start position of the line. So it's creating a table. So well, I'm just going to do mode 2 and mode 5 at the moment because I want to make sure that we can work with them both. So this should be changed to that and that. What's this doing? Store 0 in HH. Used as overflow when calculating x times 2. X times 8. X times 8. Okay. And then and it with 7. Reset the first bit so you can index into the table. Oh, x times 4. X times 4. So in mode 2. So was right. So is x actually the character value? X times 4 would have been half. Would have been a byte, which would have been half the character. Oh, let's work this out. Ugh. So X is that way, Y is that way. So each Y is equal to times by $1,400. Let's just put that in here. Yeah, each line is $1.14. So to Y equals row, which equals times by 1,400. Right, X. This is the one. So each pixel is 2 bits. So 1 byte is 4 pixels. So X pixel is 4 bits. So it's divided by times by 2. It's times by 2 to give us the character. As with mode 2, it's times by 4. Okay. So X is times by 2. gives us our... So if we say character 2, that's going to be 4 because character 1 is going to be 0, 1 and 2 and 3. And then to work out times by 8 to give us the byte offset. Is that right? So if x is 10, so we're saying 10 character, saying 10th character, yeah? But each character is 2 bytes, so we times it by 2, which equals 20, and then we times it by 8, which is 160. That would give us 160 bytes in. Plus what we work out for y gives us... Yeah, that should do it. That should do it. Right. Y is the y coordinate. Why are we ending it with 7? You can tell I've not thought about this beforehand. Ah, dear. I'm going to have to think about this off stream, I think. Because the way... Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Yeah, 140 is for the 8 scan lines, yeah. And that's why we're ending it with 7, because that's going to be the Y offset. So this is, so Y is actually, no it's not. Equal, Y is rho divided by 8. Why is it timesing it by 2? Why is it times? Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna have to think about this. I mean, it's there. I don't know why he's reset the first bit so it can be indexed into the table. Ugh. Yeah. Alright, so it's effectively dividing by... Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, so the pixel address, this will work, I think. Yeah, I was just looking at that now, the X. Because we're halving the resolution, we just need to times by 2, don't we? Does that work? Well, these things being out of alignment is doing me nothing. What's this as 161? Oh, okay. Shift left. Shift. Oh, okay. Logical shift 16 left. Okay. Right. That should do it. This won't though. Oops, that didn't work, did it? Oh, come on, John. Print hex, okay, we're alright with that. So that goes up one line. That goes down one line. Okay, that'll work. Hang on. You alright, Nico? You alright, mate? Nico? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. You all right? All right. Yeah, that's what. That's okay. You all right? You want to say hello? Alright. Sorry about that. Nico, we think he fell out of his bed. We think. Right. So, now I've done that, we can, I think we can do this. Yeah, that should work, shouldn't it? What have you guys said? Take the shift out. You only need the 4 next. Yeah, it's amazing how me and you seem to be on this, on the on the same wavelength. Right.
Eventually, Joan stuck on the middle like I've got, but Joan doesn't have access to go in at the moment.
Right. Okay, so that should work out. That should work out our location.
I went for a very, very long trek, like 6,000 miles, so I've got fuels for mangroves.
Now, this is specific to our the spaceship thing, yeah. So I think we need to move this to Myriad and start coding it specific for Myriad. Because this is 7 bytes. And the graphics were 7 bytes, and we're not doing 7 bytes now. We're doing let me load it back in. So now, oh, I can't make it anyway. Can I make it bigger? Zoom. Now we're talking 2 bytes. We're only talking 2 bytes a character, because remember, 1 pix. Oh no, it's not 2 bytes. The show divider character. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 byte, 2 bytes. Yeah, so there's 2 bytes there. As before, we had 7. We had 7, didn't we? Oh, it wasn't there, was it? It was in desktop. Acorn. V2. There we go. Yeah, each one of these is a byte. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're only using 1, 2. So that'll need to be changed because we're only using 2 bytes. Right, so I think we're gonna grab this lot and put it into Myriad. So I need to go into there. Right, so I've just copied the whole lot in, look. Right, so we're going to get rid of that because we don't need it. Not in here anyway. And we're going to get rid of that because we don't need it. Let's put a definition in here. Say we're going to be running in mode 5. Now we've got a problem because we're using this space at 70. So have we still got where we're up to? So 0 pages at A10. Have I still got the memory map on it? can we use? How many do we need? We could use this. Because we're not going to be doing any filing systems. We're not going to be messing around with filing systems, so let's change that to CO. We will need to... I'm not sure if we've seen that anywhere. No, that can go. I don't think we've got that anywhere else. Nope. That, I think, is screen RAM. But we'll leave it as it is for the moment. Right, I don't think we need that. No, we don't need that. We've got our own. We need that. And apparently we need this. We need that. Not sure we need that. Okay, we'll do this. So, draw. So this is the draw. Then it goes into render. Right, so we get the pixel address and then we store it, and we're only doing 2 characters. We're only doing 2 characters. For this anyway. I think this was where it was, yeah, this was where it was multiple, you could specify how high it was. We're not going to do that. So 2 characters, right, make a copy of the screen pointer. Right, so char 1, char 2, so we don't need this because we're only doing 2 characters. Then we add 60, add but it's not that, is it? So this is just adding 1. Ah, this is the one. Where's the other one? Okay. Right. Let's see if we can make a little demo. See if we can make a little demo. Right, let's grab that off. What smell are you lot? Oh, could that be because it's now in Sprite? Right, we're just adding one character. Let's get rid of that then. That's adding 5. That's adding 5. That's adding the third set of 5. Fourth set of 5. Fifth set of 5. We just want to add the one character that we just made. Don't even want to do the read keyboard. I don't think we need any of that. Right, green ship control. That's us. Don't need any of that.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
SP. Oh my god, another person hit the 12-month mark. Thank you, mate. Thank you for subscribing again. It's a bit sluggish, this one, because we're trying to work out a soft sprite system for the Beeb. I'm trying to retrofit a library that we found a while ago to work with Mode 2, and it's proving to be slightly more in depth than we anticipated, but we're getting there. They must be in there. Right, oh, we don't need bullets. Okay. all I want is just for it to move. Right, what's in here? Does there anything go anywhere? Jump to sprite line looper. Where's that? Oh, that's that. Okay. Right, demo, where are you? Right, so we're changing to mode 5. Get a sprite slot. We need to export the data, don't we? We need to export the data. Right, export to Beeb. So, column for sprites to be plotted at any pixel line. Roam, good for character block. Oh, this is right. Okay, did we export as row or did we export as column? I think it was column. Right, so let's import demo. And we don't need all that. Not yet anyway. So we're going to call it green shit. Alright. Right, let's see if we throw an error. Right, so it doesn't like the fact, even though have I set it? No, I haven't, have I? Oh. Oh, what is going on? do that again. Oh, we've moved it, haven't we? It's there. Getting there. I think it's running through too many times. I think row counter compare with 8. Well, that's right. We've only got 8 rows. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we've only got 8 rows. That should have been right. Oh, I wonder if we've exported it wrong. Hang on, let's try export again. That. Yes. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, I have no idea. Am I looking at, am I setting up the right sprite? Yeah, sprite. That's the Y. Let's bring it up a bit. Oh, I've lost demo. No, I ain't. I'm on it. Oh, it's almost there. It's almost there, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure how we exported it. Right, let's look at the rendering again. So how are we doing it? So loading. Right, so X is 0, 1. So we are exporting, we should be exporting in rows. Let's try that. Oh. We have a character. We have artifacts, but we have a character. Right. Why? Why have we got artifacts? What is going on there?
You're not out of range, though. Well, it's underneath, yeah. So everything's a simulation distance of 7.
Right. We're so close. So close. It's got to be here. Oh, roll counter. Why are we doing a roll counter? Yeah, the mode's right. Yeah, we shouldn't be doing 2 rows. I don't think we should be doing 2 rows. Hang on. No, we shouldn't be doing 2 rows. That's the problem. So it's this. We shouldn't be doing 2 rows. So once it's done the 8 characters, we jump out. Once we've done the 8 characters, we jump out. Right, let's try that. Ooh, I'm on demo. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me get rid of that then. Go on, disappear. That's because I have got rid of there, so just dump that out for the moment. There we go. So we have a soft sprite on the screen, so let me let's tweak it a bit just to make sure that we get all the, because at the moment it's all white. So let's make the red, let's make the center red, let's make this circle yellow. Right, file, oh, get rid of that, export, binary, yes. Right, let's run it again. Do we get the right colours? Oh yes, look at that. We've got something going on here, but I'm not too sure about that. It's when it gets over here, I think. So the whole point of this is it's going to be drawing single characters on the screen, yeah? Yeah, it seems to occur at the same, so it may be a timing issue, or we've got our maths wrong. And I can't pause it, that's annoying. So it's round here, isn't it? It's like the maths are not working out. Is there a, oh, speed? Aha! Oh, okay, what have I done wrong now? Real time, here we go. That's better. So it does. It must be where we're working it out. Yeah. It's the same column all the way down. So there must be a problem with the maths that we've done. Must be the X. But it's only doing it on one column. Yeah. And also we've got to make sure that we have enough space here. Got to make sure we have enough space, because at the moment that's only set to how many sprites? 27 sprites. Will that be enough on the screen at any one time? We will have to see. We will have to see. So, okay. What I'll do is, well, it's either or really, because we have too many characters that are redefined, because the BBC only has only so many characters to redefine. Hang on. I think it was at a certain point. Video, yeah, there, video 23. Let's go back to. Redefining a character. Oh, we can redefine quite a lot of them. Okay. Okay, 32 to 50. Oh, we can redefine quite a lot of them. I'm wondering if we should redefine the characters in basic and then load the. And then we put them on the screen using that. We'll see. I was trying to do this. I was trying to do it all using that sprite mechanic, but it depends how slow it gets. It depends how slow it gets. I mean, we could read. The only problem with redefining the graphics is that we won't be able to have multicoloured characters. At the moment, we've got a sprite that's multicoloured, so yeah, probably mixing. We may probably mix. This is gonna take a while. This is gonna take a while, and also trying to figure out why it's doing it. I'm gonna have to run through it and work out what it's doing, because it's definitely the far end. It's definitely at the far end where it's trying to fit. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. That's just a calculation problem, isn't it? It's not working out. The x is becoming 0. So we'll have to have a look at that. We'll have to have a look at that. Alright then, guys. It's coming to 11. And I've got to be up early to get Nico to his medical appointment. So we're getting there. We're getting there. We've got a character on the screen. I will try and redo some of the character. I'll try and redo some of the characters, but only in 4 colours. And we'll take it from there. All right. Well, thank you very much. It's been a struggle, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting this sorted out. I think this needs to be tightened up a bit, but we're getting there. All right. Alright guys, well thank you very much for joining me. Thank you everybody who subscribed. Docster, thank you very much for the gift subs. And I will see you on Wednesday. Alright, take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.